Age spots. Introduction. Jane has a dark patch of skin on her arm, slightly larger than a freckle. Part of the patch is light brown and the other part is dark brown. It is also tender to the touch and itches sometimes. Should Jane contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Dark patches of skin that have an unusual combination of colors, are tender to the touch, and itch may be a sign of a problem. Jane should contact her healthcare provider right away. Age spots are caused by years of exposure to ultraviolet light. Select true or false. Correct. UV light drives the production of melanin. People who have spent a lot of time in the sun may have areas of skin where melanin clumps together, forming age spots. Are treatments always needed for age spots? Select yes or no. Correct. Age spots are harmless and don't need treatment, but if you're unhappy with the appearance of age spots, treatments are available. Limiting your skin's exposure to the sun can help prevent age spots. Select true or false. Correct. Using sunscreen, covering up when outdoors, and avoiding the sun's rays when they are most intense can help prevent age spots. Thank you for using Explain.